Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be my winter 2021 capsule wardrobe. If you've been following along, I follow the 10-item capsule wardrobe concept created by Jennifer L. Scott, or the Daily Connoisseur here on YouTube. She wrote a book. That's one of the many topics in the book. I will link it in the description box down below, as well as her YouTube channel if you would like to see the original creator of this concept. I have all of my clothes over here, and truthfully, I am wearing pajama shorts because I wanted to be able to show all of my clothes for this season, and I don't have a ton of extra. So I am counting leggings and jeans and joggers all as my 10 core items this season. One challenge that I gave myself, because I spent so much money on items and mishaps in my fall capsule wardrobe, I wanted to not buy anything new. I wanted to utilize items I already have, go through my bins, use things from prior seasons, use things from last winter. I also wanted my wardrobe to be really cozy this winter. Last winter in my capsule, I put a lot of dresses, and while I wear a dress almost every single day in the summer, I found that I did not wear them outside of special occasions in the winter. So I only have one dress in my capsule. Mainly it's sweaters that I will be wearing with either jeans, joggers, or leggings. The first item is this pair of black leggings. These come from Aries. I have explained before that these come in a short length, which I am very petite. I'm only 5 foot tall, and finding leggings that I don't have to roll can be a real challenge. Sometimes I would buy leggings in a capri length, but they still didn't quite fit properly. So these Aries leggings in the short length come in a variety of different sizes, and I find that if you are petite, they fit perfectly. They also come in an extra long length, so if you're tall, that might be a good option for you as well. My second item is also from Aries. This is a very oversized sweater. I bought this last fall. I checked the website, it is still available. I decided to just carry it into the winter. This was an item that I categorized as an extra in my fall capsule wardrobe because I wasn't wearing it regularly, but I know that this really cozy knit sweater is going to get a ton of use, which is why I decided to make it a core item for this season. My third item also came from Aries. This is not a print that's still available. I bought this either this spring of 2021 or spring of 2020. I can't remember. I have had it for a while, and I thought that this kind of had a Christmassy look to it with the floral pattern. I thought that this kind of, from a distance, looks like snowflakes. I know that it's not, it's definitely floral, but from a distance, I thought that this had kind of a winter Christmassy vibe and would be perfect paired with just a basic pair of jeans. This is a perfect cleaning the house outfit, running around. The only thing I don't like about this is it's very difficult. You can roll the sleeves, but for whatever reason, the sleeves don't push up very well. But because we're not spending any money, I'm going to make this work for this season. My fourth item is a sweater from last winter. This came from Talbot's. I got it on the clearance rack. Has these exposed buttons, which if you follow me for a while, you know I like my exposed buttons. Still loving anything with little decorative touch on the side. And this has held up really well. I did wear this all last Christmas. It does have a little bit, I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera. It does have a little bit of a mark from makeup along the collar. I did read that you could take that out with rubbing alcohol, so I'm gonna try that. But if not, I can always just use this as a layering piece. And I could wear it with leggings, I can wear it with jeans, super versatile. Sticking with exposed buttons, this dress came from Loft. I got this last winter. It is a dress. It has the feeling of a sweater. This sold out really quickly last year. I wasn't even able to include it, a link in most of the videos last year for it. So I don't think it'll still be available, though I can see if they came out with something comparable for this season. This dress is the one that last year I definitely got the most use out of. Now, this is not the most flattering dress in my wardrobe because it's so boxy, it's so oversized, but it's comfortable. And my favorite thing about this is you can dress it down, you can put a pair of leggings under it and wear it like a tunic with some sneakers, or you can really dress this up. You can pair it with leggings, you can put a pair of heels on, you could put a trench over the top. It's super, super versatile outfit, which if you only have a limited number, you want to be able to maximize them. The next item, this came from my teenage son's closet. He has a ton of these flannels. I had a flannel in my capsule last year that came from Target. It was long, it was tunic length, and I was not keen on the fit of it. I did save it, I tried it on again this year, and I still don't like it. So it's time for that to be donated. And one of the tips that I talked about in how to prepare my capsule wardrobe video was utilizing items from other family members if they're not using them. My son has this, what is this? St. John's Bay. It just came from JCPenney in the men's department. And I figure I can wear this open. I could button this and maybe front tuck it into a pair of jeans. I thought that this had the perfect Christmas vibe and would be something that, again, it could be versatile throughout the season. Next are my tried and true Athleta Joggers. I have talked about these so many times on YouTube. I've talked about them on Instagram. They're expensive for a pair of sweatpants. I wish that they weren't the price point that they are. Sometimes Athleta has sales, but it's not very often. But these are worth the money, in my opinion. I think that they have a nice fit where they're not too slouchy, they're not too oversized. You can pair them with a basic tee and a cardigan and still look put together, but be comfortable as well. And honestly, I have purchased countless pairs of joggers before and they end up pilling or fading. I have had these for, I think, close to a year and they still look new. They don't have any pilling. They have some dog hair on them, but they don't have any pilling, and they've held up really well. They're very comfy, cozy pair of joggers. 10 out of 10 recommend the Athleta Joggers. They do come in a variety of colors, though for the sake of them being versatile, I went with black. Next is one of two pairs of denim. I have a black pair of denim. I explained in the fall that my Talbot black skinny jeans ripped and I had to go find a replacement pair. These came from Target. They are universal thread. They come in a short length, which is nice because they don't require being rolled. And they're just kind of a basic pair of skinny jeans. I've owned them before, very affordable. And for any of the other folks that just can't fully transition to the straight leg jeans and still are fully wearing skinny jeans, this is a great option. I tried a pair of straight leg jeans in my fall wardrobe. I never wore them. I haven't completely given up on the straight leg trend, but I'm not ready this season to make that transition. I want denim that I like and that I know that I'm going to wear. So both of my pairs of jeans are skinny jeans this year. The other pair is from American Eagle. These come again in a petite length. Actually, American Eagle makes jeans in extra short if you order online. So again, if you are short like me, they are perfect. These, oh wait, no, it's just extra short. It's not extra short. So they come in, I think they come in extra long, regular, short, and extra short. I always order mine in extra short, and these are the extra level stretch. I don't know if these are still available. I will look and anything that I can find, I'll link in the description box down below. The final piece in my wardrobe is this tunic length sweater from Old Navy. This was in my capsule wardrobe last year. It has cutouts on the side. Again, this is just sweatshirt material. It's very cozy, but I think that you could easily dress this up. I actually wore this today with this Oxford button-down shirt layered underneath. I wore it with a pair of loafers, and I thought that it looked really polished and presentable, even though this is really just a basic black sweatshirt. Those are the 10 items that I will be wearing this season. Again, it is a little bit different than what I've worn in the past. Hardly any dresses, and everything is very simple, basic items, but I also tried to pick things that would be versatile and I could get a lot of use out of. Next week, I will be sharing a week's worth of outfit videos, so I will share how I take all of these items, style them in different ways, and what I'm wearing throughout the next week. If you are new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. Make sure and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more capsule wardrobe related videos. I do have an entire playlist full of capsule videos here for you to watch, as well as an additional video that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy. I hope you are all doing well. See you in my next one. Bye.